In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into a PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're a student preparing for a class presentation, a professional getting ready for an important meeting, or just someone looking to explore the features of Microsoft PowerPoint further, knowing how to sign in properly is a crucial step. This process not only allows you to access your personalized settings, but also lets you utilize cloud storage options and other benefits associated with your Microsoft account. Let's get started. First, make sure you've opened PowerPoint on your computer. You can do this by locating the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or within your Start menu, depending on your setup. Once it's open, you should see the PowerPoint interface, which might display a blank presentation or the last file you were working on. Next, you'll need to open the PowerPoint presentation you intend to work with. Usually this involves navigating to the File tab at the top left of the screen and selecting Open to browse and find your specific file. Make sure the presentation you choose is the one you want to be signed into, as this helps PowerPoint customize your experience based on your profile preferences. Now that your presentation is open, ensure you are in the main editing view. Once you're set, look back up to the top tabs and again click on the File tab. This tab acts like a gateway to a variety of options including version history, saving preferences, and other document-specific settings. Once in the File menu, direct your attention to the options presented on the left sidebar. You'll find several choices, but for our purpose today, click on the Account section. This section is your profile's command center within PowerPoint, and it provides a range of options related to account management and settings. You're now on the verge of completing the sign-in process. Within the Account section, you will see options to either manage existing accounts or to sign into a new one. Click on the Sign In button and a prompt will appear asking for your Microsoft account credentials. This typically involves entering your email address associated with your Microsoft account and the password. After entering your information, just click Sign In. As you sign in, PowerPoint will sync with your Microsoft account. This gives you access to your OneDrive cloud storage, personalized templates, and any shared presentations connected with your profile. In addition, this step ensures your work is continually saved and backed up online, providing peace of mind and flexibility to access your files from anywhere. And there you have it. You're now signed into PowerPoint, ready to take full advantage of its features. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on maximizing your Office software skills.